Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I'm jumping on here real quick. We're going to try to get this video up as fast as I can to give you a huge sale alert. Okay, guys, Spellbinders has lost their mind. They have had a bigger psychotic break with reality than I do. Okay, they are having a spring cleaning warehouse sale. There's some seriously smoking good deals going on here, people. So I wanted to alert you. I'm going to link you down below to get to this sale. But there's some really good stuff. I have already done a little bit of shopping, and I'm not done yet. I've already got what, 12? Looks like I've got 12 items in my cart. Um, it starts getting really interesting, really seriously about the $3 to $5 range. I have not hit $10 yet. But I mean, the $1 deals, I mean, it's what's going to be what you're going to be looking at, standard $1 deals. Hang on, let me give my computer a second to get to where it's going. I'm sorry, I should have already had this queued up. Come on, baby, let's go. There we go. Okay, so I mean, just really good stuff. I mean, little ephemera kind of pieces. I mean, die cut cards. I mean, but look at this. A bow edge die, people, for $1. I don't think I picked this up. I think I should pick it up. Maybe I'll pick up a couple. Hello. Can we say giveaway? Just saying, I'm putting that out there. So I think I'm adding that to my cart. But I mean, hello, a die for $1, and this is not just any die, it's a spellbinders die. But here it is, look at it, it's not a puppy etched die, so it does the whole puppy, people, for $1. And look, that's your retail. The retail was $10.99. Actually, no, it's not the puppy, excuse me. It's the dies for the sentiments. Forgive me, I am incorrect. It is the sentiments ones, but it's still $1. Okay, so these are just, I mean, you're gonna have to scroll through them to find, to find what it is you're like, oh my god, I gotta have it deal. Okay, but lots of stuff in the dollar range. Okay, so I'm going to jump now into, I'm just going through the one page. Let's go to page, let's go jump into $2 and see, take a real quick peek. I mean, yes, I've already gone all the scroll through all the way to $5, and I thought, wait a minute, people, I have got to get in here and let you guys know. So, I mean, here we've got embossing folders. Okay, we've got here a folder that's like a spots one. We've got a cute one right here. Again, these are $2 items. So you got to go through it, quite honestly. Now, know this, that now I believe Stampendous has merged with Spellbinders. They bought them. I don't know what the deal is, quite honestly. But if you're a Stampendous person, you're going to find a bunch of Stampendous stuff here that you may have not acquired before. And now is a good time as any to do it. Now here, look at this really cool. Oh man, I didn't catch this the first time around. So I'm catching it now. Pretty Pine background, clear stamp set from Gnome for Christmas collection. Look at that as an awesome background stamp for $2, people. So it's going to be 3.5 by 4 and just about 4.25. So great for a layering for an A2 card. So yep, that got just added to my, because I scrolled too fast the first time through. So you guys just got to go and find what you think is your must-haves, but this is a sale to take advantage of. So I'm just scrolling through the first page of each one. So let's go back up to the top. Let's go to the $3. Now, the one thing you need to look at, so let me go to $3 and then I'm going to jump. I'm going to go to jump the warp speed and see if what I think is the way it is. I mean, here are the, like, $3, the glimmer for the, this is, I can't remember if this is from BB's collection or not, but it's a glimmer edge butterfly. So those of you who have the glimmer, like me, hopefully at least you use it, not like me. But I think I'm going to add this to my collection. I didn't catch it the first time, I scrolled too fast. But I'm going to add it because one of the things that's going with me to this crop this weekend I'm going to, or the one I'm hosting basically, is going to be my glimmer. I need to bust it out and play with it so then I can come back to you guys. I have the platinum. I don't have a dust cover for my platinum. $3, people. If you have a platinum, $3 is about as cheap as it's going to get for the platinum. But there is just, anybody like the open house dies? I think I have all of them now, but I know I have this one. But a lot of the open house dies are there. The lemon zest, I just picked this up not that long ago from Hobby Lobby. Trust me, I paid more than $3 for this, people. It is, I'm going to show you, let me see if I can squoogle a picture in right about here to show you what this sucker looks like. This is not a little die, all right? It's a biggins. So yes, you want to pick this up for $3. Not that I'm leading you astray or anything, just saying, why should I be alone in the madness? Just saying. Okay, just putting that out there. A lot of stuff. Here are like the Sunday drive dies. If you guys have them, I have them. I have the main one. So I've been collecting all the other pieces, and I think I have them all now. So where I can give these a pass, you might not want to. Okay, so just throwing it out here. Here's another something else from the open door. I know I have this one because I just entered it into inventory not too long ago. So some things have stuck in my head. Whoa, look, you're so close. Spend 48 more to receive. I have 12 items. Okay, get this, guys, because now it's free shipping at $100. Used to be 75. Now it went up to 100 with Spellbinders. But I've got 13 items on in my cart so far, and I've not even spent $50 yet. Okay, or actually a little bit over $50 with 14 items in my cart. Just saying, okay, how great these deals are. And look at these little stamp sets. Oh my God. See, now I'm going through with you guys. I'm seeing more coolness. And you guys know I have a thing for butterflies. So, I know it's crazy. And I'm like, oh, look, an alert from VNA. Yay. I've been wondering what's happened to her. I haven't seen her. I think I'm getting this. I'm adding this to my cart once because it's sentiments, and two, because these are butterflies that I can do on the inside of my cards, right? So I really want to up my game and decorate cards on the inside as well as the outside. So is this, no, it's going to make me go all the way down to the bottom again. Oh my goodness, no, who knows what else I might find. This is a bad thing. I'm gonna get to that $100 easier. So anyway, I got here. This is where the big deals are. It's past club deals. I am finding past clubs for $5 and under. So you guys have got to go here. Look at the, well, that, what? Why is that $24? I don't know why that's 20. Oh, because it was originally $40. So never mind. So look at this. Day at the beach, the small die. This is so cute. I need to make this up. In fact, I may go grab this and do it while I'm at the beach this weekend. So, ooh, here's an idea. $5 per, originally $27. It's $5 now. Really? What are you thinking? Why are you thinking about this? Okay, and mind you, I don't get paid to say this. I just want to be not alone in my vast collection. The food Excuse me, the food truck. People, this is the one I've been collecting all the taco stuff for. The food truck is a nice size die. Here, let me show you a picture of how big it is. I mean, this is amazing what this is. So, $5, people. Don't be a dork. Pick it up. Just saying. I'm just throwing that out there, okay? I mean, mind you, if you're not a truck, then don't do it. But I mean, there are a lot from the club, so you want to scroll through here because if there was stuff that you didn't get a chance to get before, now might be the time to get it. Not all of them are like insane deals, but you get to pick and choose. But definitely hit that $5. I haven't even hit the $10 one yet. I just wanted to give you the heads up. In fact, you know what? Let's go through the $10 aisle together and see if there's anything I must have, because that will get me to the free shipping really, really fast. So what do we see here? Glimmering butterflies. I don't know if I have that or not. I mean, I have already, I believe, picked up all of the this one, but I am positive I also picked it up cheaper than $10. So that one is not one. Here is the Sunday drive. So $10 is not bad. Have I seen it for less? I think I have. I'll be honest with you. But don't quote me on this. Remember, I am the Mad Scrapper, and who knows what I remember. Right? I'm just saying. But some of these, like here's that's from the large die of the month, normally $40, and it's now $10. So go through here and just make a decision. Here, look at the stitch. This is the stitch glimmer for, I mean, normally 35 and it's down to 10. So if you're like loving on those stitchable dies from Spellbinders, this might be your chance to pick some up. Just saying. So I'm just tossing that out there. So, I mean, I'm just going through this really quickly just to see if there's anything I must have out of this category. I already have the tractor. The tractor is stinking adorable, and I have it. Have I made anything with it? Of course not, because this is me. Remember who you're dealing with, people. But just really, I mean, good stuff. Look at that. This is the huge from BB Cameron's I have this one. Normally 39 down to $10. So, I mean, there's some good stuff to be had here. So go through here and see what you find that you must have. Don't blame me. Don't tell your husbands. The secret will die with us. All right, ladies. But anyway, on that note, I'm going to continue to scroll through here, and I'm just doing this on my break before I go back to work. So I wanted to take a moment and get this because I can upload this, and edit it in the background. So, if you enjoyed this, if you're happy I put this up there, by all means, give me a thumbs up and a like. And guys, if you want to see more of these alerts, and I'm going to start prepping for my video for a craft day. I mean, I'm going to start watching right now for those videos. Are going to start coming out probably next week. Adam's probably going to start putting out craft day in May, but I try to keep up with on the sales and let you guys know of a good one. And this is a good one, and I wanted to get it up. So if you're interested in my madness, whether it's because I've created something or just my hauls or letting you know about sales, and subscribe and ring that bell, because I'm going to be like a bad penny, and this mad scrapper is going to be up there one more time. So I'm going to let you go. Craft guys, make something beautiful, shop till you drop, and I will see you at the next one. And meanwhile, don't ever forget, we're all a little mad here. So come on, craft the madness with me, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye!